Well, the U.S. is on the verge of what will be a grim milestone for the COVID-19 pandemic. This news is coming from Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, which has been tracking cases and deaths in each country around the world. Eyewitness News reporter Jen Carabeo joining us now to break down the numbers for us. All right, Jen, what can you tell us?
Well, Janelle, the U.S. is now nearing 1 million COVID-19 deaths since the start of the pandemic. And now nationwide, health experts say the number of infections is now rising once again. So are hospitalizations in more than half the country. The U.S. is averaging nearly 58,000 new COVID-19 cases per day, according to Johns Hopkins University. That's up roughly 10% from the week before.
I'm super tired. I'm a little bit out of breath.
Among those recently infected with the virus, people aboard a Carnival cruise ship that docked in Seattle earlier this week.
It happened very suddenly and pretty wide.
Others impacted include numerous journalists who tested positive for COVID-19 2 days after attending the White House Correspondents' Dinner this past weekend. Also testing positive after the event, Secretary of State Antony Blinken, who will now maintain a virtual work schedule.
He's not seen the president in several days, and he is not considered a close contact.
Meantime, the World Health Organization reported COVID-19 cases and deaths are at their lowest globally in more than 2 years, but leaders warned that's only part of the story.
These trends, while welcome, don't tell the full story. Driven by Omicron subvariants, we're seeing an increase in reported cases in Americas and Africa.
The Department of Health and Human Services says hospitalizations have gone up in 26 states over the past 7 days, primarily in the eastern half of the country. And the CDC is predicting an additional 10,000 COVID-19 deaths before the end of the month. We're reporting live, Jan Carabeo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News. Back to you.
All right, Jan, thank you for that.